If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time we drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
Yeast infections are about as common as creeping on your ex's Instagram page. This topic is repeatedly Googled as most of us are ashamed to admit we've been visited by the Yeaster bunny, and this one ain't bringing no marzipan eggs. So let's lay out the big why bare on the table because there's a lot we need to discuss. Yeast infections are caused by the overgrowth of Candida albicans, which sounds like a wizarding name from Harry Potter. Only it isn't half as magical because it refers to the overgrowth of a fungus living in our vagina, which results in irritation, inflammation, itchiness, and also painful discharge. You can develop the yeasties from uncontrolled diabetes, hormonal imbalances, sex, and even a reaction to certain antibiotics. While there are a gazillion over-the-counter solutions, people are turning to trusty old coconut oil. Coconut oil has been used for centuries, and studies show that its antibacterial nature is what kills the fungi. Get 'em, boy! To treat it, get pure organic coconut oil and look for the 100% surety mark. The real stuff won't smell too coconutty. Wash and dry the affected area thoroughly. Apply an oil-soaked cotton ball to the infected region and leave on for 20 minutes. That's a good amount of time to kill. So make sure you grab a magazine or hey, just resort to Instagram. You've still got that extra stock. If you aren't 100% sure that what you've got is a yeast infection, are already on medication for it, or getting it too frequently, we do not recommend glazing your privates like a takeaway donut. So do this under the right circumstances. So if your friends ask you why you're walking funny, bravely tell them who's come a-knocking, because chances are their remedies are even better than the one we have here. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.